Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from the phone and we can see it at the device list. There is no connection. If you have Android, it will move to Save Devices. And after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And with this method, we can fix a lot of problems with these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!